Hey y'all, today I will be reviewing these wavy crochet faux locs from AISI Beauty, all while installing them on my TWA. Go ahead and stay tuned.
Me a beg you, who me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jag over, father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean.
So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank AISI Beauty for sending me this hair to review. These are their pre-looped crochet faux locs called the Gypsy Locs in the color 1B. Now, AISI Beauty is an Amazon hair company. The Gypsy Locs come packaged like this. And it comes with a thank you card that also has instructions for crochet braids and information to get discounts. And they even give you a crochet needle and some colorful rubber bands and some clips. Okay, so it comes with 6 packs of locs and they're about 18 inches long, and each pack has 18 strands. So that's 108 locs in each pack. Now, I've never worn crochet faux locs before because I've always felt like all the crochet faux locs look so fake. They're so unrealistic. There's nothing natural about them. But these Gypsy Locs are so pretty. Like, look at the ends. Look at them. Beautiful. They are so nice. Like, these locs look so natural and the texture looks so natural. I love it. Okay, so, and they're pre-looped. So here's the loop right here. All right, so let's get into this install. I'm gonna start off with my Mama Pearl's natural hair butter, and I moisturize my hair with it. And then I'm gonna have to blow my hair out in order to grip it for braids. See that growth? Okay. Now I've parted the front section for me to do the individual crochet later, and cornrow the back section into like 9 braids. And then I grabbed the Gypsy Locs and start to crochet them in. Now I chose to do the regular crochet braids in the back and the individual crochet in the front because I felt like that would help me in making this install look realistic. Yeah, my hair is short. Yeah, my hair is blonde. Well, honey blonde, light brown, whatever. But I was able to conceal most of my hair color with these Gypsy Locs. So that's a good thing. They come in 2 different colors, and it really doesn't matter what your hair color is because you can cover it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I crochet these locs in slowly. So I open the loop, then I open the latch of my crochet hook. I place the crochet hook underneath my braid, grab the loop, close the latch, and then pull it underneath my braid. Then I release it from the crochet hook and pull it through the loop just like that. Simple. Now, if you're interested in purchasing these Gypsy Locs from AISI Beauty, I'll leave a link for it in my description box below. Like I said before, they come in the colors 1B, and they also have a brown ombre, which starts off with like a 1B and then ends with a 27. And you see you get a free gift. You get the crochet needle, some rubber bands, and clips. That's a complete hairstyle for $34.99. And if you have Prime, you get free delivery and free return. So that's a deal, sis. That's a deal. Alright, so now I'm at the front section of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet the locs in individually, and I'm gonna be trying to cover up this brown hair color. And I was a little bit afraid because these are skinny size locs. I was thinking that my hair wouldn't be able to pull through, but guess what? It did, and I was able to cover my hair color. So everything worked out just fine. Okay, now I'm grabbing my Shears Balm Collection Balm Glue to lay my edges. Yeah, I told y'all I was gonna get me some balm glue. I love me some Shears Balm Collection, okay? Okay. Now, I've been telling y'all I'm tender-headed, so please believe my scalp was on fire, but it was worth it because these vlogs are so cute. I love the finished look. I love how natural they look. You can't tell me I ain't grow these out my scalp. Okay. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. I want to thank AISI Beauty again for sending me this hair. And I want to thank you all for supporting Styles by Penny. I love you so much. Mwah.
Keep the same energy. Yes, I mean, you're the biggest seed that out the road. Now you want heal. Keep the same energy. Don't leave that out of your memory.